Welcome to MotorMax, your trusted source for all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting motorcycle comebacks of the decade, the 2025 Honda CBR 1300xx Super Blackbird. A name that once ruled the sport touring world is back, and it's bringing an updated legacy of power, speed, and engineering brilliance. Whether you're a die-hard Blackbird enthusiast or just curious about what Honda has in store, this in-depth look will give you everything you need to know about the rebirth of this legendary machine. The return of a legend. Let's start with a bit of context. The original Honda CBR 1100xx Super Blackbird, introduced in 1996, was Honda's answer to the speed wars of the 90s. It held the title of the world's fastest production motorcycle for a brief but glorious time, with a top speed approaching 180 miles per hour. It wasn't just fast, it was smooth, refined, and surprisingly comfortable for long rides. Production ended in 2007, but the Blackbird never left the hearts of sport touring fans. Now, after nearly 2 decades, Honda has resurrected the Super Blackbird in the form of the 2025 CBR 1300xx, and it's more than just a nostalgic nod. It's a bold leap into the future of hyper-touring motorcycles. Design and aesthetics. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Super Blackbird is its aggressive, aerodynamic design. While it pays tribute to the sleek silhouette of the original, this new model is built with modern aerodynamic enhancements. The fairing is sculpted for high-speed stability and reduced wind drag, with integrated winglets that improve downforce without compromising the bike's clean lines. The front end features a sharp dual LED headlight setup, flanked by air intakes that feed the massive engine and cool the high-performance electronics. The rear remains understated, with a sleek tail section, integrated turn signals, and a minimalist LED brake light. Honda has gone with a matte and gloss black dual-tone finish, a true Super Blackbird identity that emphasizes its dark, stealthy persona. Powertrain and performance. Let's talk numbers, because this is where the 2025 CBR 1300xx really starts to show its teeth. At the heart of the new Super Blackbird is a 1,295 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, liquid-cooled, and tuned for high-speed touring as well as brutal acceleration. Honda has managed to extract around 200 horsepower and 115 Newton-meters of torque, making this one of the most powerful sport tourers on the market today. The power delivery is incredibly smooth thanks to ride-by-wire throttle control and advanced fuel mapping. Whether you're cruising on the highway or launching off the line, the engine feels responsive, linear, and controllably aggressive. The top speed? Honda hasn't officially released the figures, but early tests suggest this machine can comfortably breach the 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour barrier, electronically limited, of course, due to the gentleman's agreement among manufacturers. Still, that places it in the same league as the Suzuki Hayabusa and Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R, its longtime rivals. Electronics and rider aids. Modern motorcycles live and die by their electronics, and the 2025 CBR 1300xx doesn't disappoint. Honda has packed this machine with a full suite of rider aids, tailored for both performance and safety. You get multiple riding modes, including Sport, Touring, Rain, and a customizable user mode. Traction control, wheelie control, and engine braking control all work seamlessly in the background, giving riders the confidence to push the bike hard without worrying about losing control. There's also a sophisticated cornering ABS system, thanks to a 6-axis IMU, which adjusts braking force based on lean angle, speed, and surface traction. For long-distance riders, the inclusion of cruise control, quickshifter with auto blipper, and heated grips makes a world of difference. The centerpiece of the cockpit is a large, full-color TFT display, offering GPS navigation, smartphone integration via Bluetooth, and real-time telemetry. Whether you're navigating twisty mountain passes or just checking your tire pressure, everything is right at your fingertips. Chassis, suspension, and comfort. Underneath the bodywork, the CBR 1300xx is built on a new aluminum twin-spar frame, engineered for rigidity and high-speed stability. The wheelbase has been slightly extended compared to Super Sports for better comfort on long rides, and the weight distribution feels balanced, even with a full tank. Suspension duties are handled by fully adjustable Showa-Big Piston Forks, BPF. Up front and a ProLink rear monoshock, offering a plush yet sporty ride. Whether you're carving corners or cruising highways, the bike feels planted and controlled. Honda has also prioritized rider and pillion comfort. The seat is broad, supportive, and designed for hours of continuous riding. Handlebar positioning strikes a balance between aggressive and ergonomic, and the rear seat isn't just an afterthought, it's genuinely usable, especially with optional accessories like grab handles and a top box. Braking and tires. Braking is handled by radial-mounted Brembo Stylema calipers gripping large dual front discs, with a single rear disc out back. The braking system is powerful, progressive, and confidence-inspiring, exactly what you need on a 200 horsepower machine. The tires are high-performance sport touring compounds from Michelin, specifically the Road 6 GTs, offering excellent grip in both dry and wet conditions, and long-lasting tread life for those extended journeys. Fuel economy and touring capability. Despite the performance focus, Honda has managed to make the 2025 Blackbird reasonably efficient. Thanks to its refined engine mapping and aerodynamic design, the bike returns around 17 to 18 km/L, 40 to 42 miles per gallon, under mixed riding conditions. The 22-liter fuel tank ensures a range of over 350 kilometers, 220 miles, between stops, making it perfectly suited for high-speed touring. There's also ample support for luggage, with optional hard panniers and a rear rack available from Honda's accessory catalog. USB-C charging ports, a small glove compartment, and customizable ride settings make this one of the most versatile hyperbikes on the road. Pricing and competition. The 2025 Honda CBR 1300xx is priced competitively for its segment, expected to start at around $19,999, depending on the market and optional equipment. While it's more expensive than mid-range sport tourers, it undercuts some of its direct rivals like the BMW K1600 GT and the Kawasaki H2S XSA, especially when you consider what's included as standard. Its main competition remains the Suzuki Hayabusa, which offers similar straight-line performance but with slightly less tech. Then there's the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14R, known for raw power but lacking some of the modern touring refinements. Honda's advantage lies in blending old-school muscle with cutting-edge tech and unmatched reliability. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CBR 1300xx Super Blackbird is more than just a comeback, it's a statement. Honda has taken everything that made the original a legend, speed, smoothness, and comfort, and reimagined it for today's riders. Whether you're a longtime Blackbird fan or someone looking for the ultimate sport touring machine, this bike offers a rare combination of heart-pounding performance and real-world usability.